Have you ever felt like your phone suddenly turned into a locked treasure chest and you forget the magic word to open it? It's frustrating, right? One minute you are scrolling through memes and the next you are locked out of your own digital world because you forget your password. It happens to the best of us. Now, let's be real. Setting a password is definitely the smart move. It keeps nosy people and potentially thieves out of the business. But when the same password becomes your biggest enemy, things can get messy. But don't panic just yet. In this video, I'm going to show you a lifesaver of a tool called Dr.Fone Screen Unlock. This handy little software helps you bypass your phone's lock screen without needing to be a tech wizard. A few clicks, a couple of minutes, and boom, you're back in business. So if you're logged out and losing your mind, stay tuned. This might just be the easiest way to get back into your phone. Alright, now let's first walk through how to use Dr.Fone to unlock your phone, because no one likes being logged out of their own digital life, right? First, you have to download the Dr.Fone software. I'll leave a download link in the description down below, so you don't have to worry about hunting it down. Just make sure you grab the correct version depending on whether you're using Windows or Mac. Once you have got it installed, go ahead and launch the program. You will be greeted with a clean interface. Click on the screen unlock option. Now here is where it gets interesting. Dr.Fone isn't just for Android, it also handles iOS devices like a champ. From bypassing standard screen locks and FRP on Android to fixing iOS issues like MDM locks, iCloud activation, and even Apple ID lockouts, this tool does it all. So click on Android and then connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. The good news is that it supports a wide range of devices: Samsung, Xiaomi, Huawei, OnePlus, and more. So you don't need to worry if your phone is on the guest list or not. Next up, it's time to put your phone into recovery mode. This usually means pressing and holding a combination of the volume and power buttons. Don't worry, Dr.Fone will guide you through this step with on-screen instruction tailored to your specific device model, complete with visuals. Once you are in recovery mode, follow the instruction to wipe the data and reboot the device. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. This step will erase your data, but it's a small price to pay if you're completely logged out. Now after the reboot, your phone is unlocked and ready to roll. And that's it. Quick, simple, and way less intimidating than it sounds. Also, iPhone users, don't worry, I haven't forgotten about you. Unlocking your iOS devices with Dr.Fone is just as simple and straightforward with no tech wizardry required. First, when you open the program, choose iOS from the operating system menu and then click on Unlock iOS screen. Easy enough, right? Next, grab your trustworthy USB cable and connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer. Once connected, you will need to select specific iPhone model from the list. Now comes the slightly technical part, putting your device into DFU mode, which basically tells your phone to chill and get ready for some behind the scenes fixing. And you don't have to panic though. Dr.Fone will hold your hand through the whole process, giving you a step-by-step instruction right on the screen. Now once you are in DFU mode, the software will automatically detect your device details. From there, just download the latest firmware package it offers. Don't worry, it will handle within the app, so no detective work required. Then simply hit unlock button and let the magic happens. In a few minutes, Dr.Fone will remove the screen lock and you will be back in your phone like nothing ever happened. And that's it. Whether you're on Android or iOS, Dr.Fone makes the whole unlocking process feels like a breeze. With no tech jargon or complicated steps, just a few clicks and a little patience and boom, you're back in control. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you have found this tool useful, and if you do, then do consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid.